Mheshimiwa Mbui, what do you make of these appointments? I don't know why Geoffrey Wandeta, you're so thrilled.
Sam, I have said this and I'll say it again.
Yep.
We've been taken through some circus and told that this is a matter of uniting the country. I'm happy when I hear the senator here castigate the lopsided attempt at giving more money to us in Gishu. Maybe the intention was to have ODM join and then keep quiet so that this can continue. And I'm happy ODM is not asleep. But when we keep being told that this is about unity, uniting the country, I find it strange because when Raila and Ruto meet, it is called unity. And it is branded unity, and the headlines will say unity. But when Kalonzo meets with Rigathi Gachagua and Wamalwa and even Senator Onyonka, who came to represent Matiang'i, then when a photo is taken, suddenly this is tribalism. And it's the same thing that's happening even in these appointments.
Yep.
I will talk about Mount Kenya South, where I come from. We had 2 cabinet secretaries in this regime. Now we have only 1.
Wait a minute. You come from Mount Kenya
Mount
South?
Kenya South, yes.
What is all
Mount
that?
Kenya South.
What is that?
I'm
from Mount Kenya South.
I'm from Mount Kenya South. It's from Machakos County.
He's trying to...
So now
the whole of Ukambani, Sam, is actually called Mount Kenya South.
We are south of Mount Kenya.
These 2 guys are Wakambas, eh? They are just trying to woo the Mount Kenya votes. Listen, let's focus on things of building the country.
That's exactly what I'm doing. So now we had 2 cabinet secretaries. Now we have 1. The northern part of Nyanza had, I think, 1 or 2. Now suddenly they have a lot more.
Yeah.
Now, is that what we call unity? I mean, the minute you talk about one region getting more slots than another, is that what this thing is about? Is that what this broad-based arrangement is all about? Mm-hmm. So I think, in my opinion, we are being led down a narrow path so that we can concentrate there. But the real intention is for people to position themselves for 2027 to capture political power again. I think that's what is really happening in this country. We are being told that we are uniting people, but the intention